Alright. We got some very important news and very good news. Today is the Tuesday Open, and I'm very excited to bring out that I have passed 2 brand new accounts in the same exact day. So this is number 1 right here, and as you can see I made $3,000. So right there, as you can see, $3,600 after fees and commissions in literally 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Let's see what I did. I played by this idea of the shorts. We're going at this level, we retested it, and I saw the shorts coming and I said, okay, if we break below the 55s, there's a good chance we will snap into the 40s, and that's exactly what we did. And I threw in there 10 contracts, mind you, I'll turn it down to 1. But because of the fees and commissions, I did not make exactly 3,000 as you see here. I made a little bit less, and I was right below the $3,000 mark, and I just threw 1 contract there and I made $100 real quick, and I passed. So the first account is out. Now the second account is very interesting as well. As you can see, I played by this overall idea that if we go back up, we can retest this overall 70 level where there's previous resistance and snap back down. And when I saw that we had momentum to the downside, I took it for 17 points, and I threw 10 contracts and I made $3,400, and we passed it. And all these 2 accounts, they're ready to get funded. So why did I take that idea? Well, let's look. We were below the VWAP, and we aligned with the overall idea of we got negative delta on the entire day. The momentum is obviously down, and there is a lot of sellers in the market, as negative delta still suggests. And I also added these 2 EMAs, which help tremendously in my decision making, and I will explain my strategy in one of the videos, in one of the upcoming videos in the future. But now, what is my plan? Well, by the way, check Apex out. By the way, right now Apex has 90% off every single combine, and 1 day to pass until 17 December. Check them out. I'll leave the link down below in the description, and let's get this done. Let's get the party started. Use my code and the link in the description to get the best deals off. If you want to support the channel, use the code that I provide you in the description. Thank you for your support, by the way. Thank you everyone for their support. And I would like to also to mention that right now I paid about $30. So these 2 combines right here, these 2 evaluation accounts, I paid a total of $30, which is absolutely a great deal to me. And to be honest, I will also let you know one more thing. I may be buying another 2 so I can fund the other 2. That way we have 4 funded accounts. As you can see right there, we bounced out of 180s, we bounced out of 80s right there, perfect finding that support. So if I had another account, would have got long there, could have got another account funded, and I could have got another account funded right here, another one funded right here. But I will shut these off. Just make sure every order is off, everything is off. There we go. Now, on the higher time frames, guys, we look super bullish. We're near the all-time highs right there at the pretty much 21,340.75 cents. As you can see, we had this bounce off of the pivot, which is perfect support right here, and I'll leave it right here for my next sessions. I'll take this one off. Now, the importance of this as to why exactly we found support into the 40s is quite simple, my friends. Very, very simple. We go on the 15-minute chart. What do we have here? What do we have Monday? Right? This was Monday. This was yesterday. what did we have? Support into the 40s. What did we do? We went down and played by the short on the way down to the 40s, and we covered everything down there into the 40s twice, which passed me 2 accounts, and from there we bounced. So now to get bullish, we need to stay above this overall 200 area so we can push higher, you know, up there 40s, 60s, or maybe even 80s, maybe even the 21 300s up here as a new all-time high. So right now the decision is quite simple. We need to get above the 200s, and as you can see, we're filling a gap on the QQQ, and we filled the gap also on the SPY. However, the ES is still holding down. So right now, let's see what happens. We're gonna probably fill the gap, there's a good chance for it. But right now I want to stay above this 200 area to be bullish. But yeah, I'm gonna close the video right there. I just want you guys to see how I did it and why I did it. We played by the shorts. We were clearly in a downtrend, in a short-term downtrend there for the 4D area. We took the setups, we passed 2 accounts. Let's freaking go. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, and let's freaking get it. I will maybe try pass another 2 accounts. If I can't and I blow them up, that's okay. We still have 2 funded accounts secured. And we're gonna start live streaming as soon as I pay for them, and I'll get them funded. So, let's get it. Let's freaking go. Thank you guys for watching. Stick for the next video. I don't think I'll make a video tomorrow. I will post it. When I will make a video, I will post it for sure. Let's get it, guys. 50 subs, by the way. Let's freaking get it. Can we get it? I can't do this without you guys. Let's get to 50 subs. Peace to the Middle East.